Okay, we have 2019 Cascadia Freightliner, and the problem is that the turn signal is not working here, and it's not working here. So both headlamps need to be checked, and the module need to be replaced. So the module looks like that. That's the turn signal and the eyebrow, the white eyebrow, which is lights up during the truck idling or driving. The new module sells at Freightliner for $180. So it comes with the 2 screws and the gasket inside. So we gotta use one. The gasket's already here, right there. So let's open it and see, do we need the new one or we can use the used one. So I turn on the truck and I can see this eyebrow is lit up a little bit. Wow, this one is completely off. So as we can see, we don't even need to take the headlights off. We need just to get this module out and change it to the new one. So let's get those torques. So we will use the T20 and there's only two T20 screws like that. Okay, so can't pull it out. Can't completely pull it out because it is sitting inside the hood. And knowing that there is connector, so it's probably to lose little bit the headlights itself. It's 10 millimeters. It's almost 10 millimeters. It's gonna lose a little bit. Not all the way down. Okay, forgot the one right here. So now we can see it's going down. Yep. Now it's loose. Okay, so there is no, yeah, the connector is just the wires. Looks like there is no clip on it. So we're just gonna pull it out. Yeah, better. Lose this one before. very tight space. Now there is a clip right there, so you're just gonna we need a screwdriver here. Oh, let's see, we can use it. No, we don't need a screwdriver. Here we go. So we see that it's burned, definitely. That's how it looks inside. So it burned inside and it burned actual piece. So that's is a turn signal, and those are aim browns. Interesting. So that's the good one, and try to connect it. It went all the way. So let's check before we tie everything together. It's not working. So the new one, the new module looks like that. And gasket goes inside. Okay, second side, both the turn signal is looks fine, but it's not working anyway. And this is the white here brown, and look how burned is it.